So I had a request to help people a little bit with the factoring, and so I figured it would be beneficial to go through this product role problem the whole way through and then show you how to factor it. I know it's a product role because I have two separate functions being multiplied. So I've got U and V. So I'm going to write each of those down here. U is 6x minus 1 to the third, and V is 5x plus 5 to the fifth. So I need to use the chain rule. For my first one, the chain rule, I would have the derivative of the outside, which would bring the 3 down front, and I'd go to 1 less power. And then I'd also have to multiply by the derivative of the inside, which was 6. So that gives me 18. 6x minus 1 to the second. Over here, I would bring the exponent down out front, so that's 5 out front. And then I would have to the power of 4 going down 1 power, and then multiplying by the derivative of the inside, I'd have 25, and then 5x plus 5 to the fifth power. Now, find my derivative, I'm going to multiply. So y prime is equal to 18, 6x minus 1 squared times the quantity 5x plus 5 to the fifth, plus multiplying those two, I get 25. And I'm going to keep these in the same order. That helps me organize my information. 6x minus 1 to the third, and 5x plus 5 to the fourth. Okay. So this is my final answer if I don't simplify, and that's not going to be a focus on ours moving forward, just because that's usually something you get a lot more feedback on, but something that to shoot for, obviously. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go term by term, and I'm going to see what they're both divisible by. So 18 and 25 do not have any common factors, so I'm going to leave those as is. 6x minus 1 squared and 6x minus 1 to the third. I can take 2 of those out front, and 5x plus 5 to the fifth, 5x plus 5 to the fourth, and 5x plus 5 to the fourth that I can take out front. So then I go back and I see what's left in each term. In my first term, I still have the 18 left, and I have one of these left. So it would be 18 times 5x plus 5. Plus, in my second term, I still have the 25 left. And I have one of these 6x minus 1s left, none of the 5x plus 5s. So that gives me 25 times 6x minus 1. So to find my final answer, I'm going to distribute in here and then simplify by combining like terms. So I have 18 times 5x, so that's 50. That'll be 90x plus 90 plus 25 times 6x, that's 150x minus 25. And combining like terms, that's going to give me 240x, and then 90 minus 25. You said be plus 65. And I'm going to bring my coefficients back out front as I write my final answer. Please forgive any minor mathematical errors if I made them. I don't think I did, but always possible. I'm noticing here you could take a 5 out of both of these, but I wouldn't expect that at this point. This is plenty great for me. Okay, so that's our product rule. I would also like to do a quotient rule, so I will do that next. Alright, so here's the quotient rule problem. I've got f of x is equal to 5 tangent 6x over the secant of 6x. It's quotient rule because I have two separate functions being multiplied. I'm going to call the top u and the bottom v. You can also do high and low. So, labeling my two functions, I've got u is 5 tangent of 6x. V is the secant of 6x. So both of these are chain rules. My first one is two levels. The derivative of the outside, 5 tangent, would be 5 secant squared of 6x staying the same, and then multiplying by the derivative of the inside, that would be 6. So that would give me 30 secant squared of 6x. V prime, also a chain rule, two level. Derivative of secant is secant tangent. So it's going to be the secant of 6x tangent of 6x times the derivative of the inside, which is 6. So that 6 goes out front. So quotient rule is much the same in the numerator. So y prime is equal to low d high, or v times v prime. So that gives me 30. Now, because they all have the same angle measure, I can combine those into secant cubed of 6x. And then it's minus for the quotient rule. So it looks like I have 30 again. And then multiplying those tangents, I'll have my secant of 6x. And then tangent squared of 6x. Now, don't forget, with the quotient rule, we square the denominator. So that'll be the secant squared of 6x. Now from here, again, this is the unsimplified answer. If you got here, that's great. Working on simplification, I'm always going to simplify or factor my numerator first and then simplify with the denominator. So in my numerator, I can take a 30 away from each, and I'm able to take one secant out from each. Cannot take any tangents out because my first term doesn't have any. So it leaves me with secant squared of 6x in my first term, minus just the tangent squared of 6x over secant squared of 6x. Now my final step, I can simplify with anything that's been factored out in my denominator. I'm going to be able to take a secant away from each. Now let's see if I can make this smaller so that I can push that up there. There we go. And I'll write in white. So then my final answer would be y prime is equal to 30 times the quantity secant squared of 6x minus the tangent squared of 6x over the secant of 6x. Hopefully that helps give you a little review. I'm here to help in whatever way I can. Have a great day.